to show you how to use precompiled headers along with precompiled macros. So I have this template which I usually use in a programming contest. So I have the macros of around 20 lines, but many programmers have macros of around 200 or 300 lines, which take compilation time. So as we know that these macros are statics and we do not have to change anything. So what we can do, we can use the precompiled version of the headers and the macros. So to do this, we just need to create one more file. So I'm just going to name it as modified.h and copy all your headers and your macros in the file. So I'm just going to copy directly all the headers and the templates I have in this file. So we will use the precompiled version of this modified.h in our program. So let's first compile this modified.h, and to compile this, open up your terminal and you make sure you are in the same directory as in your modified.h. So I am already in the same directory, so let's compile this header file first. So to compile this, run this command and type the name of the header file. What it is. Okay. So as you can see that it's taking time, it's compiling. So now our header file is compiled, and you can see that a compiled version of the header of this modified.h is created over here. So we'll use this while compiling our a.program. So before that, we need to include the modified.h. So what we will do, just follow these lines. If not defined, online judge. If not defined, online judge, include modified.h, else include these headers, and we'll end the if statement over here, and if. So basically what it is, if you are running this program on a local system, it will use this file. If you are running it in an online platform, it will use all the headers and like this part of the program. Okay, so we are using this modified.h header in our program as of now. So when we compile, we'll use this compiled version of the modified.h. So let's compile this program. Alright, so we're going to compile it using the precompiled. So to use the precompiled header, just type -h and the name of the file, -h and name of the file. So we can see it using the modified.h.gch to compile this program. So let's time this program, how much time it's taking, let's see. So it's taking total of 1.06 seconds to compile this program using the precompiled version. So let's see if we do not use the precompiled header, how much time it takes. So it's taking total of 3.23 seconds, and here we had a total of 1.345 seconds. So the difference is around 2 seconds, which is quite significant if you are giving an active programming contest. So yeah, so you can use, so this is the method to use the precompiled headers and macros. If you have any queries, you can mention it in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer them in the comments. And if you like this video, please consider liking this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all.